Now, in the crypto space, you've probably heard the terms coins and tokens used interchangeably, but there's an important difference between the two, and let me explain. Coins are their own protocols and platforms. Bitcoin is a protocol. Ethereum is also a platform. These are considered coins. Now, tokens rely on these platforms, and what they do is they represent a unique piece of value that sits on top of the platform that has to be redeemed for something else. So for instance, on top of the Ethereum platform, you have a token called Golem. Now, Golem allows you to pay for supercomputer or a decentralized supercomputer using a Golem token. So that's the key difference. The coin represents the underlying technology or platform, and the token sits on top of it. Now, in the Ethereum world, there's been a huge rush of tokens that have been created in the last year. In fact, there's over 1,000 of these decentralized applications with their own unique tokens. But it's important to understand that they're all built on the Ethereum platform. So this concludes section 1. And now you should be able to distinguish between the different attributes of the blockchain system. You should be able to compare the difference between proof of work and proof of stake, the consensus mechanisms. And you should also be able to provide 3 examples of different crypto assets.